Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Maxi, and today I'll be unboxing the Ducky One 2 Mini. So let's get into it. So here's the box, the Ducky One 2 Mini. I bought the cherry red MX red cyan switches because I really don't mind the voice. But it still gets kind of annoying sometimes. So I got the cyan ones. Here's their website. Here's the back. Here's the back of the box. It says MX switches, Ducky One 2 Mini, and the size. It's 590 grams. It's made in Taiwan. And yeah, warning: water and beverages can be poured into the keyboard. So yeah, that's basically what it about the box. So let's get into it. So let's go. So here's the plastic thingy on top. I actually keep this. I'm gonna put it on my keyboard so whenever I'm not using, it doesn't get the dust or anything. And here is the keyboard. Well, we shall look into this after check everything inside. Here's the thing in other language that I can't read, and I believe it's in English as well. And I believe here's the warranty confirmation thingy, the model number and the date. I'm gonna fill this later. So yeah. Now about the keycaps and the stuff. Let's go. Here's the space bar. I don't really like this design, but probably won't put this one. I'll probably order other ones or use the one that I have right now. And here's the keycap puller. Really like this. Yeah. I'll switch the keycaps in a bit with the other ones. These ones. Oh, I got the blue ones. Nice. So here's the other keycaps. They're like the Ducky One, and I have no idea what this is. And yeah, put these later. And I believe the final thing is the wire. Yeah, the USB type USB-C wire, I believe. Yeah. So okay, now the keyboard. We put this aside. And let's go. Here is the keyboard. Let's go. It looks so slick, man. So nice. And the silent switches. I'll do like a good sound test later. Here's the warrant, and here's like the thingy, the thingy, and the macros. No, the dip switches, not the macros. My bad. And yeah, here's the size thingy. There's one like this for like if you want it higher. If you don't want it that high, you have a smaller one as well. Ducky be doing some cool stuff, man. Alright, so give me a second. Should I do the keycaps first? Okay, I'll do the keycap first. Actually, okay, let's do the keycap first. Let's go. I'm gonna switch the WASD with the arrows, and might change this one. But I like it because it's see-through and stuff, you know. Like the light comes as well. So I'll change it, and if I don't like it, I'll change it back. I'm gonna put a timestamp somewhere here on the screen. You can go to the timestamp if you just want to see me like turning on the computer keyboard. Where is the wire? Okay, so here's the wire. I will now attach this. Get rid of this real quick. So here's the wire. Let me quickly attach this and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna put these on like this. Then the moment of truth, guys, is go. I'll do it from here so you guys can get a better view. Is it on? Okay. Let's go. These are see-through. Oh my god, that's so cool. I thought these won't be see-through. Okay, let's go. Okay. So here is the thing, man. Let's go. It looks so beautiful. Can you see it? So I know to change the settings of the RGB, you have to press F function key, Alt, and then T. Let's go. This is so cool. Oh, and you can like increase the speed by pressing function key and L. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. Oh, this is dope, man. Oh, and you can like change the colors, I believe. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what this color is, but damn, bro. This looks so amazing. Oh, the radar. Oh my god, man. This is money well spent, man. And this is like the close one. Let's go. Okay, I will now do a typing test. I haven't really used a 60% keyboard before, so I'm not like probably gonna be that good with it, but I'll try. So let's go. Okay guys, I'll do a quick typing test and yeah, you can see how it sounds. Let's go. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you want any more videos like these, unboxing videos, review videos, or any other type of video, vlogs, edits on Photoshop, anything, just let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, it would mean the world to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, boys. Bye.